got a knock on my door. Like that. I was like, who's this at my door? Open up the door, and it's my good friend! At least, what? It's my good friend. And you wonder who that is? There she is. She's knocking on my door this morning. She said she had to run a couple errands and can I just take a ride? I said, sure, let's go take a ride, you know. And next thing you know, I ended up on the ferry, and she's got this little smile on her face. This little smirk on her face like she's up to something. Aren't you?
Not big.
Yeah. And next thing I know it is these birds started attacking us for no reason. Watch. Just watch. You'll see why. Just for no reason. I think she set me up on that though. Yellow line, girl. Get in the yellow line. See, when you don't stay on the yellow line, you get in trouble. You need to stay on that yellow line. She's up to no good. Up to no good. Are you on the yellow line? Is this the yellow line right here?
Welcome aboard the Texas Department of Transportation ferry vessel.
What do you do on a ferry? Find something interesting to do. Well, we have found something interesting to do. Haven't we? She made me do it. She made me do this. She said, hey, what you doing today? Let's go take a ride on the ferry, you know? Okay, let's go take a ride. And then she starts pulling out all this stuff. Check her out. She's prepared. She is so prepared. I wouldn't even think of anything like this.
Okay, there we go.
That's good.
You ready?
Now we're gonna come out with the goggles. Here we go. This is great, man. I like those goggles.
Okay. All right. Here we go. Okay, your turn. I should have got another poncho. All right. Let me fill it out.
There you go.
How do you do it?
It's on right now.
Oh, okay. Hello, Steve. Now it's your turn.
Yes, sir.
I forgot to bring the other poncho for Steve. So, you look fabulous. Well, come on.
I can't get this thing off.
Yeah, mine's tight too. Maybe it'll hold my brain together.
I can't get this. See if you can get this.
There it is.
For the birds.
We did it. We
ready
did
for the
it.
birds.
Okay, we did it.
All right.
Okay.
You ready?
Put that thing in your mouth. We got it.
It's Scuba Steve.
Scuba Steve.
Scuba Steve.
Scuba Steve. He rocks. Okay, let me see. All right. Oh, you look fabulous. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Make a move.
And you thought I was a crazy one? I think she's a crazy one too.
You're dressed for it. Okay. First thing you have to do is you have to tease them. Of course, you have to be prepared. I got wipes in there because I know they're going to land on me
I gotta do this.
Okay.
Okay, what am I gonna do?
Well, first of all, okay, go like this. Okay.
Hey, you wanna impress me? Do it like this. Come on, do it.
Oh my God! No, don't do that! Oh! You gonna do it? You gonna do it? Do it, do it. No. Okay.
Oh, where's that one?
Now the next one, Steve. Here's what you have to do next, okay? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, this is what you're gonna have to do next. Are you ready? Are they up there?
They're coming. Here they come.
Are there any more up there? Okay.
Watch it, look. That is coming.
Okay. Wait.
That's it. That's it.
I need a whole bunch of them.
Here. Right here, come on. Come on, baby. Show me the money. Show me the money.
Oh, Lord of mercy. Now it's the birds. Okay, now it's Steve's turn. Let's see. Let's see if he's gonna do it. Come on, Steve. Hands out. Oh, okay, come on, Steve. Ah, woohoo! Freedom. Oh, nice. Oh, look at all the poop flying down. Yay. Okay. Do it again. Do it again. Up, up. Nice. And put some more on your head.
There you go.
Okay. Ah, the bird. Ah, dare you, bird. There it comes. Oh, I think it fell off. Hold on, I'll put some on. I'll put a bunch on your back.
Oh. This is great, man.
Okay, wait a minute. Don't move.
Okay.
No! Nice! No!
I'm being attacked by the birds, baby. Attacked by the birds.
Hit me! Okay. Alright.
I think that bird just pooped on my head. I think it did.
Oh, let me see.
I felt something wet. See the white on top?
Oh, God.
The white on top? It's lotion.
This is why you always bring this when you go on the ferry. Because you never know where that stuff is going to end up. And you know it's going to end up somewhere.
Oh, we're loading up.
Beautiful. Okay.
Yeah, I'm a shithead. That's what I am. I'm a shithead, man.
I am prepared.
We're on operation. Run like hell. Get the hell out of here. Oh no, this gonna get over my head. Ah, shit! Let's go. Oh shit, it got me again. I can ask me how was a good day. I can honestly tell them I had a shitty day.
I really did have a crappy day.
Please tell me that was rain that just hit the back of my neck. Please tell me it was rain. Ah!
Falling off my head!
Oh, I got hit again. I'm going down. I got hit again. Go ahead and sing it. I'm on top of the world, baby. I'm on top of the world.
I'm the queen of the world!
I've been here. Look, check and see. Check and see if I've been here.
Right there. Right there.
Look, he's got lunch. See, he's smart. That bird shit on him. He grabbed his ass. Whoop, like this. Watch. That bird's like, what's going on? Why'd you do this to me? Look, she put it in my back. God, no. All right, this is the bird old Steve-O dance right here.
Yeah, go Steve-O.
I got my hand stuck in the box. I can't get out. Look, that damn bird's gonna get my ass. That bird knows.
Down, down, I said for what's to come. For what's to come your way. It's all been returned. Returned, yeah. But I feel the changes. The change gonna come. I said I feel so alive. And you know I'll feel the changes. The change is gonna kill. I said a change is gonna kill. Do you feel that changing? Come on. Do you feel that changing? Come on.